Good morning or good afternoon or good evening, everyone. This is a really quick and easy craft that you can make with wooden beads. These are specifically from a kit from Temu that I purchased, and I just put these little ornaments together. They could be toppers, whatever you'd like for them to be, and then you can even make a garland or a little bracelet with the beads. So I'm going to show you how to do that really quickly, and you will really want to do this. If you want the kit from Temu, I've linked it below. If you just want to make your own, you just need twine, ribbon, wooden beads, and paint them how you want. But these were pre-painted. Let's make a little snowman ornament. Now I'm using the twine from the kit. I have my pieces. Oop, I forgot my buttons. There we are. So you need your base, your buttons, which is the middle, your little cute face, your hat brim, and the other bead will be your topper. You have 3 different ones, the black, the red, or that little check, or 4 different ones actually, the white check. So you have these 4 to be your topper. We'll just go with this one since I haven't used that one yet. All right, so you just take your twine. I didn't pre-cut it because I wanted to put it on first and then decide. So if you need a little tip to get your twine through, you can put tape on the end of it, but I didn't really have too much problem. So I start at the top, and I go ahead and just put my beads through. Once you get your beads threaded through your twine, then you're going to take your twine and you're going to just double knot. At least that's what I did on these little ones. And then you can trim that end off, but you don't want it to go through. So you can see how cute that is and easy. Now what I did here at the top is I'm going to make a knot and put a stopper there. Then I'm going to need some to make the hanger. So I'll just give myself a little extra. And it just depends. I didn't really measure it. So I'm just going to take my twine, make a knot, and push that knot down. And I'm going to do it again. And I'll just push it down. Now if there's a little movement room, I'm okay with that. Then to tie my hanger, I wrap it around where that knot is at the top and feed it through and tie it, and then I do it again, and then I trim all these little extra long, and there you go. So I'll just trim this off, and you can put a little glue on the end of it just to hold it in place. And then there's your cute little snowman ornament. Now, if you want to make the bracelet, which is really cool, I just used some elastic cord and fed it through all the way. I did put it through twice on the end, so to secure it a little bit more with the bracelet, and then I tied a little ribbon on there. Now the only thing I haven't done here is tie the ribbon. So I'll tie a little ribbon bow, and all I did was just tie it like a regular bow right here. And that's it. It's really fun, easy. This would be great to do with kids or a group or even a little class because it's so easy. So there you are. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.